One way in which the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome reimagines what it means to travel in luxury on land is by merging the performance credentials of Bugatti with the majesty of a superyacht. It was built for individuals who are looking for a motorhome that is both attractive and large, as well as unique in its design. This motorhome is a marvel of automotive engineering and interior refinement, and it was designed for people who are looking for a motorhome that is both of these things. A streamlined and aerodynamic shape may be defined as having been applied to the exterior of the vehicle. This profile is accompanied by typical Bugatti curves and a grille that is both striking and futuristic. The inclusion of a high-performance hybrid engine beneath the hood ensures that the ride will be both powerful and smooth, regardless of the terrain that is encountered. When it comes to the interior, the Bugatti Motorhome offers the same level of comfort and spaciousness that one would find on a luxury boat. Some of the amenities that can be found inside the beautifully constructed interior include a living area that is large enough to accommodate a full-size living room, luxury leather couches, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass ceiling that allows natural light to permeate the space around it. In the bedroom suite, which functions as a luxurious sanctuary for the guest, there is a king-size bed, high-end furnishings, sophisticated climate control, and an abundance of storage space. All of these amenities are included. A fully equipped bathroom gives the idea that it is more like a luxury hotel spa than a typical shower in a recreational vehicle, since it features a walk-in rain shower, premium fixtures, and marble surfaces. This creates the impression that the bathroom is more like a residential spa. In addition, this recreational vehicle comes with an integrated entertainment system, connectivity to smart home devices, and extendable slide-out parts that expand to make the most of the available space within the vehicle when it is parked. It is a veritable super yacht on wheels, and the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome offers a mobile living experience that is unlike anything else that is currently available. Whether you are traveling along the shore or visiting the countryside, this is something that you should keep in mind.